Okay, in this video he explained about the confirming assumptions with the help of a probability. Okay, just this coin game you read and understand. H means head, T means tail. Okay, so in the coin we have the head and tail, na? So how many times the head is coming, how many times the tail is coming, na? So that many times we have to draw the lines and find out. Okay, so you can understand this one. Why did he tell means to find out that one, to find out the ratios. Okay, so he always used the ratio. What is the ratio he used? Used the ratio of 3:1. Okay, 3:1. 3 is the 75% which he got more, 1 is the 25% which he got less. Okay, so that is the 3:1. Okay, some more assumptions. Assumption means what? We believe it is true without any proof. This is called as a assumption. Okay, so here as we have studied for, we know that Mendel prepared pure varieties of plants for a particular character and then started experimenting with them. Okay, so we can know that Mendel started his experiments with contrasting characters. Okay, contrasting characters means two different characters. Okay, so in the following manner, in the context of plants bearing purple and white flowers, assuming the characters of a pure purple and white flower bearing plants to be represented by a pair of factors in each cases, and we get, so here we are going to see the mathematical representation of the characters. For example, capital V and capital V. Okay, so he gave this one as a purple color. Okay, purple color. So these are the characters, capital V and capital V. And small v and small v is the white color, that means recessive, which he got less, and purple is the dominative, which he got more. So capital V, capital V. So both are dominant. One capital V is from mother, another capital V is from father. So this is also from mother and the father. So this is the purple and white. So with their male and female gametes would be found. Gametes means reproductive organs. In the what is that, in the male plant, that means in the boy plant, male plant is the stamen and the pollen grains are the reproductive organ. In the female, reproductive organ is what? Eggs, which is present in the ovary. Okay, so these are the gametes means reproductive organs. So here we see now, so colors they have seen, gave. Okay, violet color is the gene, the number they represented as a capital V, and white as a small v. Okay, so this is the way. So here we see this one, purple and white. Okay, so here we can say this is female and this is male, and this is female, sorry, not like that, this V and this V we can take as a both are the female. Okay, so female, and here this is small v we take it as a male. Okay, that means this is the small v means what we got it, white color, and the capital V means what? Purple color. Okay, purple color. So these two are the genes. Okay, so again when he crossed the cross pollination he is doing now. Okay, from the white and from the purple, cross pollination. When he did the cross pollination, so in the F1 generation, okay, so F1 generation. So in the F1 generation what he get? Capital V and small v. That means, so here the flower will be, since capital V is the dominative, so the new plant will be rising as a purple color. So it is also a capital V is a dominative, so capital V. So from the female, from the mother it is getting a child is getting offspring is getting a capital V from the father. It is getting a small v, cross pollination. Okay, so since capital V is the dominative, that color of the plant will be purple. So here also capital V is the dominative. Here also capital V is dominative, capital V is the dominative. Okay, so everything it got as a purple. So it is the F1 generation. So now we see the F2 generation. Now cross pollinating purple and white flower plant, we get all plants of F1 generation have a combination of factors, as this F1 generation plants would yield male and female gametes for F2 generation. So in the F2 generation we see now. So here is the F2 generation. Okay, so in the F2 generation all the purple flowers we have here, everything is capital V and the small v. So from this one we are getting the next generation. Okay, so here we observe here the table. So this capital V and small v is in which color? This is the purple. Okay, this is also a purple. So capital V and small v. So here we take it is a female. Female means what? Mother plant, maternal plant. And capital V small v, it is also a purple. So it is what? Male. Okay, paternal. Okay, so here what the difference we see means, now it has the capital V and small v. It has the capital V and small v, two characters. One is from the purple plant and another one is from the white plant when they did the cross pollination. Since V is the dominative, so it is showing as a purple color. So again when he did the cross pollination between these two purple flowers, again what the plants got here? So capital V and capital V. When he did the cross pollination, this V and this V joined in some plants. So everything got as a purple. One plant is purple. And again this is small v and this capital V, again here purple color because capital V is the dominative. And again here capital V and small v, again it is the dominative purple color. But here you see, here only we get the small v. That means this plant will be giving only the white flower. This plant giving only the white flower because both the characters what it has, only the small v and small v. So the recessive character it has. So like this, genes will be going from the parents to the children and children to parents, again from the parents to the children. Generation to generation characters will be carrying through the genes. So we get the same characters of the parents. So these are the two factors we say now. Two factors. One from the mother and another from the father. Okay. So these are the observations he did it. So that is why this is also purple, this is also purple. So 3. And only one white he got. So 1. So dominate is the 3. Dominate means more what he got is the 3. Less what he got is the 1. Okay, this is the 3:1. So here we can say now capital V and small v represent the heterogeneous. You know hetero means different. Okay, two different things, not same, different, alag. So heterogeneous factors. So these are the different. Now capital V, small v is the homogeneous. Homogeneous means same. Okay, homo means same factors, same characters. If from the mother, if the child is carrying small v and from the father also small v means, so child will get the homogeneous, same characters. Okay, so these are the, like these genes will be carrying from parents to parent, generation to generation.